there! You caught me in the middle of getting ready to bake some delicious sweet potato pie bars for the holiday of Juneteenth. Juneteenth is today, June 19th, and I am so excited to share the final product and my baking journey when it comes to these sweet potato pie bars. Here, you can see them in all their cartoon glory, but you'll see the final results in real form today. So, stay tuned, and you'll get to see how delicious these are gonna end up. Woo! Now, I've got 3 cups of roasted sweet potatoes, and it's time to turn them into some puree that will be delicious in my filling. Let's go! What's the next step? Aha. All right, so we have our sweet potato puree, which is gonna be a great part of our filling, but now we have to combine it with some eggs, brown sugar, cream, vanilla, salt. All right, first, let's crack some eggs. I'll be cracking them into this big bowl because they can't go in there yet. We're gonna have to beat them. Ah, there we go. All right, that's 1 egg done. That's a beaut. All right, now time to do a little bit of whisking. Gotta whisk them until they're lightly beaten. You can find out more in the Juneteenth cookbook. But for now, follow me along this journey. Now you know what time it is. It's combination time. Time to add some eggs, lightly beaten, into the puree. Beautiful. And, for my personal favorite, some brown sugar. Time to pour it in. There we go. And now with this fork, time to stir. Gotta get it going good. Once they are completely incorporated, then you can add your vanilla, your salt, and your cream. All right, now that I've incorporated the eggs and the brown sugar into the puree, it's time to add a little bit of extra stuff. So here we have 3/4 cup of cream. Add that in there, looking peachy keen. Then don't forget to add your vanilla. I love me some vanilla on a nice sunny day. After that, you have 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon and ginger. I incorporated those right here into this little container, and I added a little bit of extra ginger because I love it so much. So if you have a personal preference, then feel free to add a tiny bit extra. All right, now time to mix with the spatula. Now, after incorporating the eggs and the brown sugar, I've added cream, vanilla, salt, ginger, and cinnamon into the puree. It's time to mix with this fork, and then after that, we'll pour it into this already prepared graham cracker, melted butter, and sugar, delicious crust. All right, everything is nearly incorporated into my beautiful puree that will go directly into my graham cracker crust. So get this fork out of the way once you're done mixing. Find the napkin maybe that's out of view. And time to do some pouring. 2 hands, don't forget. All right. Woo, this is exciting. Right on into there. Ooh, this is amazing. It's all coming out, pouring out. I'm so excited. Grab a spatula, maybe use it as a little bit of extra help. And then once you've got everything out of there, now it's time for the fun stuff. Time to spread. All right. So there, you gotta spread it to all corners. So when you have all 12 of your sweet potato pie bars, they'll all be even and delicious. All right, once this is done, be sure to cook this at 350 degrees for about an hour to make sure everything is evened out and everything is delicioso. My sweet potato pie bars look so sweet and delicious, and I'm so excited to dive into them. But first, if you check out the Juneteenth cookbook by Alliah L, Agostini, you can learn how to make entrees, appetizers, drinks, desserts, all for yourself and your family for the Juneteenth celebration. But what's my celebration? My celebration is digging into some delicious food. All right, here we go. That's good.